shall we sing? What shall we sing? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing? What shall we sing? Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. You can't go wrong with a song. And now we're going to hear some singing from students, 3 students from BPeak, who are going to sing bits of All You Need Is Love, and after that we'll have a go ourselves. So take it away, Ife, Kelly and Cheyenne. So well done to Ife, Kelly and Cheyenne for singing All You Need Is Love. So let's all have a go, shall we? You all know the chorus. Love, 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 love. It's easy. Love is all you need. And if you're a student who'd like to sing in this assembly, please let me know. Okay, and now a word from our sponsors.
Child
So now we're going to hear from a staff member who's going to sing, and after the staff member has sung we're going to have a go ourselves. So this is Hallelujah, or parts of Hallelujah, a small part, sung by Joyce Ojo, who came into the room next door and just sang a cappella without any guitar or music. So thank you for doing that, Joyce, and if you're a staff member who wants to sing, please let me know. So please take it away, Joyce.
I'd heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lead, the barefoot king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
So well done to Joyce for singing Hallelujah. Thank you very much for doing that, and you did it all by yourself without any guitar, so well done. So now we're going to have a quick practice of the chorus all together with the guitar, and obviously my voice is a lot lower than Joyce's, so but you can find your range. Hallelujah, 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 So once again, thank you to Joyce Ojo, and if you're a staff member who would love to sing on this assembly, please do let me know. Thank you. And now it's time to say goodbye, so let's all sing together, and afterwards there's a video of two people singing, quite an interesting video, an unusual combination of singers, but I hope you enjoy that anyway. So have a great week, but now it's time to say cheerio. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We've worked hard, had fun, tried our best, but it's time to say goodbye. 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 See you next week and enjoy the video. And I think there's probably quite a lot of bloopers after that as well, if you've got the time. Bye. So well done to Joyce for singing Hallelujah, and she did that unaccompanied,